Ever wondered what eggs are good for? While they may seem simple, the health benefits of eating boiled eggs every day are profound, especially for people over 50. Here are 14 shocking health benefits that come from making boiled eggs a part of your everyday diet. Number 1. Improves eye health. Boiled eggs are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are vital for maintaining healthy vision. These compounds are found in the egg yolk and are known to protect the eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. Regular consumption of boiled eggs can also help prevent cataracts and other vision-related issues that come with aging. By eating boiled eggs every day, you're giving your eyes the nutrients they need to stay healthy and strong. Number 2. Promotes brain health. Boiled eggs are an excellent source of choline, an essential nutrient that plays a critical role in brain health. Choline helps in the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that's important for memory and cognitive function. Many people don't get enough choline in their diet, and eating boiled eggs daily can help bridge that gap. Consuming boiled eggs regularly can improve brain function, enhance memory, and protect against cognitive decline as you age. Number 3. Rich source of high-quality protein. Boiled eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is crucial for building and repairing muscles, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall body function. Each egg contains about 6 grams of protein, making it a convenient option for meeting daily protein needs. The protein in eggs is considered complete, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body can't produce on its own. Including boiled eggs in your diet ensures that you're providing your body with the necessary building blocks for muscle repair, especially after exercise. For vegetarians and those seeking protein-rich alternatives, eggs are a great way to maintain muscle mass and support recovery. Number 4. Supports weight loss and satiety. Eating boiled eggs can help with weight management by promoting feelings of fullness. Eggs are high in protein and fat, two nutrients that help you feel satisfied for longer periods, reducing the likelihood of snacking between meals. Starting your day with a boiled egg breakfast can control hunger throughout the day and lower calorie intake. Studies have shown that those who eat eggs for breakfast tend to eat fewer calories throughout the day compared to those who eat carb-heavy breakfasts like cereals or toast. Including boiled eggs in your daily diet can be a simple and effective way to support weight loss efforts. Before we proceed to the next health benefit, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 5. Strengthens the immune system. Eggs are packed with immune-boosting nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin D, and selenium. These nutrients play an essential role in maintaining a healthy immune system, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses more effectively. Selenium in particular is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative damage and enhances immune function. By eating boiled eggs daily, you can strengthen your immune defenses, reduce the risk of infections, and promote overall wellness. This simple food can help keep your immune system in top shape, especially during cold and flu season. Number 6. Supports bone health. Boiled eggs are a good source of vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium from food, which is necessary to maintain strong and healthy bones. A lack of vitamin D can lead to bone problems such as osteoporosis. Including boiled eggs in your daily diet can help ensure you get enough vitamin D to support bone health and prevent bone-related diseases. This is especially important for people who live in areas with limited sunlight, as the sun is another natural source of vitamin D. Number 7. Improves heart health. Despite the old myth that eggs contribute to high cholesterol, recent research has shown that eggs can actually improve heart health. Boiled eggs contain good cholesterol, HDL, which helps remove bad cholesterol, LDL, from the bloodstream, reducing the risk of heart disease. The monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats in eggs also support heart health by promoting healthy cholesterol levels. Moreover, boiled eggs contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and decrease the risk of heart attacks. Eating boiled eggs every day can be a heart-healthy choice, as long as they are part of a balanced diet. Number 8. Provides essential vitamins and minerals. Boiled eggs are a nutrient powerhouse, containing a variety of essential vitamins and minerals that are vital for overall health. Eggs are rich in vitamins B12, A, D, E, and folate, as well as minerals such as iron, zinc, and phosphorus. These nutrients support everything from energy production to red blood cell formation and tissue repair. By eating boiled eggs regularly, you ensure that your body receives a broad range of essential nutrients that contribute to your overall well-being. They're an easy and effective way to fill nutritional gaps in your diet. Number 9. Helps with hair and nail health. The high protein content and rich array of vitamins and minerals in boiled eggs are excellent for promoting healthy hair and nails. Biotin, a B vitamin found in eggs, is particularly important for maintaining strong hair and nails. A deficiency in biotin can lead to brittle hair and nails, as well as hair loss. Including boiled eggs in your daily routine can help strengthen your hair and nails, promoting growth and reducing the risk of breakage. The nutrients in eggs nourish the cells that support healthy skin, hair, and nails. Number 10. Supports muscle building and recovery. Boiled eggs are a great post-workout food due to their high protein content, which aids in muscle repair and growth. Whether you're an athlete or someone trying to build lean muscle, eating boiled eggs can help you meet your protein requirements and support muscle recovery. The amino acids in eggs, especially leucine, play a significant role in muscle protein synthesis, making boiled eggs an ideal food for anyone looking to enhance their fitness and muscle strength. Number 11. Enhances skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in boiled eggs can promote healthy, glowing skin. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect the skin from UV damage and reduce the risk of wrinkles and fine lines. The vitamin E in eggs also helps maintain skin elasticity and prevent premature aging. Eating boiled eggs daily can help improve your skin's texture, hydration, and overall appearance. The healthy fats in eggs provide moisture to the skin, while the vitamins and minerals help repair and protect skin cells. Number 12. Supports blood sugar control. Boiled eggs are low in carbohydrates and have little impact on blood sugar levels, making them an excellent food for people with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. The protein and healthy fats in eggs slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of boiled eggs can help regulate blood sugar and insulin levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes and improving overall metabolic health. Eggs are a satisfying and nutritious option for maintaining stable energy levels throughout the day. Number 13. Boosts energy levels. Eggs are rich in B vitamins, especially vitamin B12 and riboflavin, which play a crucial role in energy production. These vitamins help convert the food you eat into energy that your body can use for daily activities. Eggs also provide a steady source of energy without causing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Eating boiled eggs daily can help you stay energized and focused throughout the day. They are an excellent choice for a healthy breakfast or snack that provides long-lasting energy. Number 14. Aids in reducing inflammation. Eggs contain important nutrients like choline and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. By eating boiled eggs regularly, you can help reduce inflammation in the body and lower the risk of developing these conditions. The antioxidants found in eggs also work to protect cells from oxidative stress, further helping to manage inflammation and support overall health. Including boiled eggs in your diet is a simple way to combat inflammation and promote wellness. Let us know what health benefits you have experienced by including eggs in your diet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and for more amazing videos, subscribe to our channel.